volume 204, draw number 18, and that's a marshmallow doll.
Hi.
Alright, let's go, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go!
Yeah.
Alright, Alright. Next name.
My turn.
Yes, Judy Yi Lopez.
Card.
You are getting a beadboard. You are getting a beadboard.
How you know?
Because I see the picture. Yeah, Judy Yi Lopez. Wait, you showed me. Alright, well, you want to pick a name? That one. Oh, can you read that? Raxify. Raxify. Rocket. Oh, Judy here. Right. Oh, wait, stop. Okay. You, Raxify, you are getting a feather pen. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Next one. Lisa Almazan. You are getting rocket. A diamond painting moon box. Congratulations, Lisa Almazan, diamond painting moon box. Alright. Oh, you want to get the name? There's only two left. And then. Wait, let me shuffle it.
Yeah, because
There. Berenice Hernandez.
Ooh, this.
Oh, a diamond shop button. Color black. Congratulations. A black button for Berenice Hernandez. Next name. Is that the last name? One left. Alright, Aaron Dingus. Aaron Dingus.
And I got another burger.
Alright, let's get a prize for Aaron Dingus. Pick a prize. Ooh, mystery gift. Congratulations. Congratulations, Aaron Dingus. You get a mystery gift.
Mystery.
Alright. And that is it for volume 204. We have one more. Alright, and that is it for volume 204. Draw number 18. I said I will. Bye.
Finally.
Alright, thank you guys for so far. It is December 28th. We wanted to thank you guys for participating in our Christmas raffle for this month. And in addition, we also have a Christmas giving event that started December 20, ending yesterday, December 27. So far, we are just, thankful for you guys that have responded to this Christmas giving event. And so far, from December 20 to 27, we have totaled $658 total, and donations itself, which we recently put a donation button, and you guys can still contribute. We garnered $330 for it, and that's gonna help a lot in the cause for what we're doing with Boracay Gives organization, and that is to benefit Typhoon Odette victims, or internationally it's called Typhoon Rai. And why I'm here with the Christmas tree is because in the event tonight we are bringing the Christmas tree to the event, and we're having these decorations for sale to raise more money actually during the event, and hopefully it goes well. We're still gonna do more raffle draws for the Christmas raffle draw, which happens all this month, but this Christmas tree will be gone because all the decorations will be sold to raise money. So wish us luck, and once again, thank you so much for getting involved and responding. Thank you. Bye.